This is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications and multiple advertisements associated with the website advertisements.com. This particular website, frankly speaking, comes out of the blue initially, and it tries to mislead people with many faulty messages. It tells you to click on the special Allow button to continue your browsing. But in reality, to click on Allow button is a serious mistake. In this case, you may be redirected to some other malicious website that may try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software, or you may be brought to some other filthy websites. And also, if you have clicked on that Allow button, you will start receiving the great portion of numerous advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of your screen. To neutralize these ads, you should urgently implement certain browser fixes. Go to the menu of the browser, go to Settings. So some of these ads you can see displayed and annoying you essentially. Go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Now carefully research the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this advertisements.com, you should remove this malicious site from the list, and this is the manual way to stop these ads from attacking your screen. So as you can clearly see, after we deleted this malicious site, these ads are now gone. However, I would also recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is crucial because your system could be additionally burdened by some hidden adware or malware. Combo Cleaner will help you very well to detect these hidden threats and to remove them effectively. Download it using this green button, install the application and start examining your device with its help to make your computer free of any other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.